4 tactics to run your business like a boss. There are 2 kinds of entrepreneurs. Those who are actually running a business versus those who are stuck working in their business. And there is a major disparity in income between the two. To truly run your business like a business and become that boss, make sure you're doing these 4 things every single week. Hey, this is Said Mohsen, a residential real estate broker, team owner, and founder here at Real Estate Sales Machine Academy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe below to get more insights to grow your real estate business. So tactic number 1, review your business plan. I gotta ask, when's the last time you looked at your 2022 business plan? You probably created it in November or December, and now it's October. Here is why I bring it up. The best agents don't just create a business plan and forget it. They make it a living, breathing guide while reviewing, adjusting, and pivoting along the way to their goal. Creating a business plan and sticking it in a drawer doesn't do you any good. It's gotta be top of mind, and you must find some way to hold yourself accountable to the actions you committed to in that business plan. Tactic number 2, enhance your business intelligence. There are 3 areas you should be reviewing at least once a week. Number 1, industry trends. This gives you an opportunity to identify threats and opportunities and keep you up to date on what's happening at all times. Number 2, market trends. Being able to speak intelligently with consumers is all about looking at daily hot sheets, seeing what's selling and what isn't selling. Number 3, your own numbers. How'd you do since last week? How many conversations did you have? How many appointments did you book? What's the return on investment on your marketing? Here is the thing. When you take the time to have this knowledge, your confidence is going to skyrocket, and you will be excited to get out there into the marketplace to talk to more and more people. Tactic number 3, reviewing your marketing plan. I love Peter Drucker's line about all business being innovation and marketing. If you stop innovating, your business becomes stale, not only to you but to consumers. It's all about identifying what makes you different so you stand out on that potato chip aisle in the grocery store. Determining why someone should choose you is an ongoing pursuit and a question that must be answered on a weekly basis. Along with reviewing your market plan, ask yourself what's working, what's not working, what do you want to try next or test. Remember, everyone knows 7 friends in real estate. Getting to the top of that consideration won't just happen naturally. It takes effort, and that's what you need to be working toward every week. Tactic number 4, addressing people, systems, and organization. You are running your business with the structure of software, systems, and checklists, or is it from memory on a whim? Again, there is a giant chasm between those two. Your objective should be to get to the point where you can say every time we do X, we do it with Y and create Z. If you're not spending time improving your level of service and processes, you are just gambling and hoping for a good result. Are you truly committed to your business and to your success? If so, act like it and put the systems in place so your business can run smoothly with or without your direct daily involvement. In closing, here is the best news about all this extra effort. If you're an artist like me, you might be too busy with daily tasks to truly express your creativity. But when you finally surround yourself with the right people and construct powerful systems and structures around you, suddenly you can focus all your time on practicing your artistry while other people and systems keep your business running smoothly. Give it a try. I promise you will love it. As always, if you find this content useful, like and follow my channel, and check out my other videos for more insights to grow your real estate business.